Hi, this is Hai Xiaowang, and today we are going to talk about the word search. And given the m by n grade of the broad and a string of the word, and we are supposed to return true if the word exists in the grade. And the word can actually um, go through like this one in example one. And the same letters cell may not be used more than once. So which means that when we do our depth-first search algorithms, we should keep track the status of the cell, which denotes for whether that cell is visited or not. So let's just code it up. First, let's get the shape of the board. And create two arrays, which is always the trick I will use to control the movement when we go through the algorithm. Actually, this just denotes for the four directions movements. Yeah, and then we should construct a status matrix which has the same size of the board, and each cell denotes for only has two values, true and false, denotes for whether we visited it or not. And just go through the matrix. And for array cell, we just start our DFS, which is I, J, and the third parameter denotes for the index in the word that we try to match as current status. So the DFX return true and false. If true means that start from the IJ, we can find a word that matches the words in the input. So if it's in this case, just return true. Otherwise, we should return false because we do not find. Let's finish the depth first search functions, helper functions. So u, and if u is equal to the length of the word, which means that we already match all the characters in the word, so just return true. And if I, and the another is the base case here. So first one is that if the is out of the boundaries, we should return false. And the other is that if the current board characters is not equal to the word we try to match at the current index, which is u, we should also return false. And third one is that if it's visited, if we already visited it before, so because we are not allowed to use it more than once, we just return false. Else we should update its current ij to be true, and then go its neighbors, and there are four directions, and calculate the new x, y positions in the board. X, y, and u plus 1 because we try to match the next characters. If it's in this case, we should return true. And if we go its own neighbors and can't find a match words, so we can just return false. And before that, we should update it, because we want to go back checking, and it should be ij to set it be false, because if we go here and we can't find its neighbors to be next valid characters, when we go back checking, we will set this cell to be not visited. That's pretty much about. Let's try it. It seems to work. Yeah, that's pretty much about this problem. It's a little bit slow, but easy to understand. Thanks for watching.